Hello everyone, I'm Professor Chetna Bhaguji from Maratha Mandal Engineering College, Belgavi. We'll be preparing a wonderful and a nutritious dish, that is Nutritious Ample Meal Option, that is NAMO.
Hi everybody, Namaste, Jai Hind. मैं डॉक्टर डीजे कुलकर्णी डायरेक्टर ऑफ मराठा मंडल इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज और आज हम बहुत ही बेहतरीन, एनर्जेटिक और बहुत ही यूनिक डिश बनाने वाले हैं जिसका नाम है नमो। जी हाँ, आपने सही सुना, नमो, न्यूट्रिशियस एम्पल मिलेट ऑप्शन। तो ये कभी भी खाया जा सकता है, एज ब्रेकफास्ट, एज लंच, एज डिनर, और बस इंडिया के गुण गाते हुए हम खा सकते हैं नमो, सो सकते हैं नमो। सो लेट्स सी हाउ टू गो अबाउट टू मेक नमो। This is the ingredients required for NAMO. And why NAMO? Nutritious Ample Meal Option. And we have got here 3 types of millet which have been soaked overnight. One is the little millet, one is the proso millet, and one is the foxtail millet. This is 50 grams each that has been soaked overnight. And then we have got around 50 grams of shredded carrot, a little bit of tomato, and coriander for garnishing. White butter tastes very, very nice. And we have got cheese, a little sauce, chili flake, and mixed herbs. So these are the things that are required for NAMO. We are going to add all the 3 millets and we are going to grind it in this mixer to the consistency that we use to make idli. Once we finish the grinding to this type of a consistency, apply oil to these pancake molds, put it into this, and then steam it for around 7 minutes. Steam it for around 7 minutes. If you don't have this type of vessel, you can do it in a cooker. But please do not put the weight, do not put the whistle on top. Let it cook for around 4 to 5 minutes or not more than 7 minutes. Now these have been steamed for 7 minutes and you see we have to remove it like this. Now these are the hot pancakes on which we are putting the cheese on one part. We'll garnish it with some carrot, a little tomato, salt to taste, a little tomato sauce, and you could just spread it here, turn it upside down. You can garnish it with some mixed herbs, and these are the chili flakes. And if you love to, put a little bit of butter on top, and yeah, your dish is ready. A wonderful NAMO. And friends, this is NAMO, Nutritious Ample Meal Option, made up of millet and cheese and a little raw carrot, coriander. Believe me, it tastes wonderful, and there is no substitution for NAMO. No momo, no more momo. Say only NAMO, NAMO. Have millet, jeetega India.